15 years and walking down the memory lane. Respected auntie, sir, ma'am, teachers, non teaching staff, and my dearest friends. My name is Abhirami Pillai from Plus 2 Humanities batch, a candidate for the head girl post of the Woven School YQ. It's not a simple thing, it's a great responsibility and achievement. A leader is a person who turns vision into reality. I'm never going to show off or use my power, but I can assure you that I can empower each one of you. It's always said that we realize the true value of a moment until it becomes a memory. Likewise, waves of bittersweet emotions crossing my heart as I realize that, oh, this is going to be the last campaigning speech as a student for my school. Right from making patterns with painted vegetables in pre class to writing big programs and learning brainstorming theories now. Right from stumbling and shivering in front of the mic to getting appreciating applauses and walking proudly back from the stage. Right from teachers holding my little fingers to seeing them through modern gadgets today. Right from writing alphabets to creating Srishti last year. This journey has been extremely beautiful. And now again, a great opportunity gifted in my hands. Election 2021 is here. Personally, this is an opportunity for me that I shall put my whole life into to leave a memory and spark in all your hearts, to mark a signature of my own, and to give you the best days during this time. A true leader is a person who always understands your wishes and needs without saying anything. I do believe that I have the capability to understand your silence and lead you to the best. We'll grow together, we'll seek together, and we'll achieve together. To the school management and to my dearest teachers, for showering the unshakable faith and trust in me always, a heartfelt thank you. And to you, my friends, my constant support, for always being there for me. Just go vote and may the best happen. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. It's so nice to see you all today. At this moment, I would like to pay my respects to all those who have been adversely affected by this pandemic. Without any further delay, let's get into the business. I am Padmapriya S. Kumar of Class 12 Humanities batch, and I'm here today as a candidate for the position of School Head Girl. First, let me thank the administration of Woven School for taking things on board in these adverse conditions and running this academic curriculum so well. It's been more than an year since we have gone to school, and this is not how we wanted any of it to be. We wanted those lively school assemblies with those fiery speeches, events, competitions, and examinations face to face. But here we are, and within our limitations, I believe that every one of us have tried our best to do what is good for us as individuals and for all people in our community. That is what is most important. For me, being the head girl is not about position or the title, but it is about action, an example which can make a difference and help others grow further. I assure you that I will abide by my duties and I will do the best I can with my abilities to make sure that school life of each and every one of us is as beautiful as we want it to be. If you agree with what I have shared, let's start practicing it by voting for me. I would like to conclude by reminding you few words of Dr. Seuss. You have brain in your head, you have feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself any direction you choose. Let's together take our school to greater heights of success. Thank you.
A leader is best when people barely know he exists. When his work is done, his aim is fulfilled. They will say, "We did it ourselves." Respected Andy, Chairman Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my dearest voters. It's been a very long time since we all have met. As for we students, many things have changed. But if we wait for those changes to just go by, remember, time won't wait for anyone. So it's time for you guys to choose your leaders for this academic year 2021-22. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Maria Teresa Rajan. I'm a class 12 science batch student. I'm contesting for the school head girl post in the coming election. I'm so lucky to get this wonderful opportunity. The greatest leader the world have ever seen, Mahatma Gandhi, once told that the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself for the service of others. For the past few years, I was able to find a part of myself as being the Ruby House vice captain, and later on, I was getting the responsibility of being the cultural vice captain. This year, even if I get a chance to do so, or if I get elected or not, that doesn't matter at all. Running for Wavin School have always enriched my confidence on various fields, as well as it made me understand myself more deeper. I'm not giving you that many promises because even if I got elected, I can't say that I would be able to fulfill all your wishes or I would be able to reach up to all your expectations. I can guarantee just one thing, but I would do my level best as being the head girl of the Wavin School. I have that confidence and I want you, my fellow voters, to believe in me. I will be there with you for all your ups and downs. Apart from being a leader, I want you to vote for a good sister, for a friend, and of course a good listener. You can share your views, your ideas, your opinions, your suggestions, and whatever. My ears will be open for you all. I want to be the one among you, and I believe that I am the one. I am requesting your vote, not for me, but the person you believe the most eligible. Remember, election is not just a process, it's a responsibility, equally for the candidates as well as for you guys, the voters. Let both of us can do it sincerely and efficiently. Thank you and have a great day ahead.